So as of December 2024, they mandated that all stratas across BC need to have a power assessment plan completed by the end of December in 2026. This power assessment plan applies to all buildings that have over 5 strata units. So for our power assessment plans, we go through details of the BC Hydro 12-month history. We go through and take a look at the electrical code demand calculation. And we also offer a third option, which is a power logger, which is a device that you install onto your electrical service. We do it for 2 weeks, which gives you real-time data of the amount of electricity being used on your electrical service, so that now we have these 3 comparisons we can compare in your plan to present you with accurate information for your strata assessment plan. The reason that we recommend it to our clients is because it gives you real-time data about the electrical service as it's happening. So we put the device in for 2 weeks and it gives us a real-time information about how much the electrical service is using, and we can take that data and compare it to the electrical code demand calculation as well as the 12-month history, and then you have a very accurate understanding of how much power that you have in your building, how much space you have for future EV or electric vehicle loads, as well as heating and cooling loads. And you can also take that information, give it to the engineers, and they can use it for electrical drawings, or give it to the city when you apply for permits. So if you're to go the EV Ready Plan route, you would receive rebates up to $3,000 for the plan. If you were not, and you were just going to do the power assessment route, the strata would have to pay full price for the plan to be completed. Whether you do a power logger, whether you not, it doesn't matter. You still have to pay the full price. We offer typically 2 different packages. For an EV Ready plan, you can get an EV Ready plan without a power logger, which is the device mentioned previously that'll log information for 2 weeks and gives you more real-time data. That plan without the power logger, which is just the 12-month history and the demand calculation, is around $2,400 Canadian, and you would receive a government rebate on that plan for $1,650. Now, if you're wanting to have the power logger installed and have a third comparison in your EV Ready plan or your power assessment, then that would typically cost around $3,400 Canadian, and the rebate that you would receive for that would be $2,250. Now, that being said, we, for both of these plans, add an additional $500 fee to write a document that meets the strata assessment requirements, so that you can provide that to your strata by the end of December 2026.